Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Good evening. Are you ready to start our learning today? Apakah kalian udah siap untuk memulai pembelajaran hari ini? If you're ready, like usually, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video so that you don't miss the lesson which I will give you in the next session. Kalau kalian udah siap untuk memulai pembelajaran hari ini, jangan lupa follow, like, dan share video ini agar kalian semua tidak ketinggalan materi pembelajaran yang akan saya berikan sesi berikutnya. And do you know what will we learn today? Apakah kalian tahu hari ini kita mau belajar apa? Yes, of course, we will learn about how to speak English fluently. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang cara berbahasa Inggris dengan lancar. So if you want to speak English fluently, you must to memorize the many vocabulary. Minimum vocabulary is 1,000 until 2,000 vocabulary. The second tips there, you must to practice, maybe in yourself, or maybe when you use your speaking English, and maybe you can speaking English with the other person, or we say you speaking English with your partner. Before that, you must to hear the English song, or maybe you hearing the English podcast, like you hearing the English song, and you must to use shadowing methods, yaitu imitate the teachers of the song. When you hearing the English song, sometimes you sing an English song, or maybe not only that, you can see an English film or English serials like Frozen 2 but use English. It can exercise your hearing. Your ear can be habit in yourself. You must to speak English often. Kalian harus berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan sering. Sometimes, some people when they are speaking English, they afraid to make a mistakes. But if you want to learn how to speak English fluently, don't forget to make a mistake when you are speaking English. You can speak in front of the mirror so that you can more confident. If you speak, don't be afraid to make a mistakes. Jadi kalau kalian tuh berbicara, jangan takut untuk membuat kesalahan. Contohnya, kalau aku ngomong gini nanti kesalahan vocabulary. Jadi tips pertama adalah mendengarkan musik dengan bahasa Inggris atau mendengarkan podcast. Or maybe when you want to interesting method, you see the film, use English. When the film is so interesting, you feel you want to hear more. So this method is so useful if you want to interest yourself, if you want to exercise. The second method is memorize many vocabulary. The minimum vocabulary is 1,000 until 2,000 vocabulary. After that, you speak with your partner, or maybe you speak in yourself only in front of the mirror, like, what do you think about something? Dan kalau kalian memikirkan sesuatu, itu mulailah kalian bicarakan dengan bahasa Inggris. Contohnya gini, I think this milk is so sweet. Saya pikir susu ini berasa manis. So I feel the air is so comfortable for sleep. So what do you think? And then you speak, use English. Apa yang kamu pikirkan itu kamu bicarakan dengan bahasa Inggris. So when you can speak with yourself, you can speak with your partner, like your English teachers, your friends who can speak English fluently. So it can help you for more fluently in speaking English. The last tip, there are building fluency in speaking. Membangun kelancaran saat berbicara. Not only you can speaking fluently, you must know about the intonation of speaking. Jadi intonasi itu juga penting kalau kita itu berbicara. The other tips, there are not only the intonation and the pronunciation. Nah, pronunciation itu yang sering menjadi kesalahan kalau kita berbicara. Pronunciation is often be a mistake when we speaking English. Like we see when we read the text, sleep, tidur, itu kan bahasa Inggrisnya sleep ya. Some people read sleep. That's not good pronunciation. Jadi itu bukan pronunciation yang bagus. Pronunciation adalah cara pengucapan. Kalau di bawah itu kan under ya. Kebanyakan orang mungkin bilangnya under. Nah, itu juga salah satu contoh kesalahan dalam pronunciation. It's one of the most mistake for your speaking English. So when you speaking English, exercise your hearing, your intonations, your pronunciations, and etc. Don't be afraid when you speaking English. Use your confidence, or maybe if you can speak English with yourself, you can speak with your partner, like English teachers, your friends who can speak English, or maybe your mothers who can speak English, and etc. I think that's all for this lesson today. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.